Level up your gift with this DIY explosion box. Made from recycled cardboard and Excel blades tools, this project instantly elevates your gifting experience, and it's easier than it looks. Let's get started. Begin with a piece of cardboard. Measure out a square. This will be your base. You can choose any size you like. I'm using an Excel blades ruler to keep my measurements clean and precise. Next, place your cardboard on a self-healing cutting mat and cut out the square using the Excel blades K2 medium-duty aluminum knife. Using that square as a guide, create another square, but this time add about 1 centimeter extra on one side to form a flap. This flap will later be attached to the base. Cut it out using your knife, ruler, and cutting mat. Repeat this step 4 times. In total, you should have 1 base and 4 side pieces with flaps. Now take the 4 pieces with flaps and score along the bottom, right where the extra length starts. This will make folding much easier later. Next, grab your glue and Excel blades soft grip scissors. It's time to wrap. Using wrapping paper, take 1 flat piece and measure about 1 inch extra on both sides and on top. Cut it out with your scissors. Then glue the wrapping paper onto the cardboard. Trim any excess. Repeat this step for all 4 flat pieces. Now move on to the base. Measure 1 inch extra on all sides, cut the wrapping paper and glue it neatly onto the base as well. Once everything is wrapped, use hot glue to attach each flap to the base, one side at a time. Do this for all 4 sides. You can also add extra wrapping paper to the top edges for a cleaner finish. When you fold all sides inward toward the center, it should now form a gift box shape. Now let's make the lid. Measure the finished box onto cardboard, then add 1 extra inch on all sides. Cut it out using your craft knife, ruler, and cutting mat. Score along the 1 inch marks. Add small slits at each corner. Then fold the sides inward. Secure everything with hot glue. Wrap the lid with wrapping paper, and just like that, you can now close your gift box. For the final step, make another box, but this time slightly bigger than the first. Add 1 to 2 inches to all sides and repeat the same steps. I'm using pink wrapping paper for this one. Once the larger box is finished, hot glue the smaller box right at the center of it. And that's it. Your DIY explosion gift box is complete. A simple project made extra special with a little creativity and the right tools. Fill it with photos, notes, or small surprises to make your gift truly unforgettable. Don't forget to use Excel Blades tools for clean cuts, easy folds, and stress-free crafting. If you enjoyed this DIY, try it with different sizes, colors, or themes, and let your creativity explode.